No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke to make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it, you know it. I don't fall under the pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Why you tripping? I just want serenity, so you can miss me with the negativity.
What's the plan today?
We're going to SM Seaside City Cebu. Then we're gonna go head to the night market tonight.
Seaside City nga naman siya. Seaside City SM. Oh, may sili. Maganda ang lugar nyo, ha? Laki ang pinagbago ng Cebu. Meron pa sa likod. Ah, ito kasi may...
Are we at the airport? No, we're not. We're at SM Mall, which is definitely bigger than their airport. Here's their third floor food court, and they have an ice rink in here. Maybe they have like classes here or something. And like, look, there's like these things that you can ride.
Yeah, ice bumper car.
Kind of fun. They make their food courts pretty all the time. Whoa, you can go up here. All kinds of stuff in here. A K photo studio, like the super like cute ones. You get to pick props and everything. We have a roller rink here too. That's cool. There's so much stuff here.
Yeah.
You can be here like
Oh, you
for
can
2
skate for
days
free on
and
your
you'll never
birthday.
get bored.
What did they say? What are they talking about? Dude, why? They all want to work in Canada.
They all want to work in Canada. They did a good job.
It's good, eh?
They want to charge $50 for hair.
You told them how much you charge? Yeah, $2. They all messaged us on Instagram.
Pedicure, pedicure, and manicure.
He is getting just hands? No feet?
They're just fixing something.
Oh, okay. First time. Let's look at his feet. No. Julie's getting comfortable with her blankie. What's so funny, Felix? Put it in the fridge, marinate. Making adobo.
Filipino store.
So ganda.
So ganda. It has like all of the rugs. We could have shopped here before our wedding. They're like actually really beautiful. Fancy mama
Champorado.
Heirloom rice, champorado. I feel like these are all booze. Absolutely. If you want.
I like this fellow.
Look at that. That's booze. How much is it? $3.39. What is that? $8 or something? You can probably get something like this a lot cheaper, but less booze somewhere else. Wow, this is nice though. $5.19. That's fancy looking.
Chocolate coated dried
What?
mango.
That's cool. We also have white chocolate mango. Pickled mango. Oh, pickled mango, and it's liquid in here.
Cheese.
Mango tamarind. Dried green mangoes. Calamansi cheesecake. Sibling. Guys, these are actually cute. I'm gonna buy one. I wanna see what it looks like. The shirt is only $10 Canadian. So I'm gonna have to buy it. Has this, go on a food trip at SM, and then it has like every single type of food that they have and every restaurant that they have, and they also tell you which level each restaurant is at, and there is a lot. We're going to be eating at Rib Shack. It's like really cheap,
Yeah, 100, 200, depending on what you get.
and then you get unlimited rice. We're gonna get the spare ribs and the chicken inside. So there's a price here, just the plate or with unlimited rice, and just a little bit more. Thank you.
Oh, we gotta get utensils.
So there's a guy with a bucket somewhere of rice, and he just scoops it for everybody. Oh, thank you. Unlimited rice, baby. He already came around with more rice.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't even start eating.
To make the sauce, this is chicken fat, chicken oil. Put all over your rice for that flavor. And soy sauce, calamansi. Oh, he's putting the oil in there. Okay.
Yep.
And he also got some spicy peppers. Under $10 for both of us.
At the mall too, so pretty good.
So the mall here is really big, but they actually organize it really, really well. They have certain floors for certain things, like for electronics, for like kids play zone areas, floor for clothes, floor for food, and it's just one giant circle for all the floors. So it's actually really nice and organized, even though it's big. I thought it would be overwhelming, but it's not. It's actually
Super easy.
yeah, it's actually super easy.
Sugbo Mercado.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we're about to enter the night market. We've seen some YouTube videos about
really
this.
busy.
Yeah, it seems really busy in there. We just got a glimpse of the exit.
It's a Friday night, that's probably why it's busy.
Yeah. So let's go check it out and see what we can eat.
Here's some live music. Here's the entrance. It seems like it's busy, but no long lines for a lot of things. So
Yeah.
maybe the service is really fast. Cebu is known for the puso. We haven't tried that yet in Cebu. Barbecue and seafood. That looks good. Oh, see what he's cooking. All this bone marrow dishes. Good. I wanted to try this.
Big brain.
Pig brain.
Like soy sauce.
The Cebu thing.
Yeah.
I thought that said something else. Sugar cane. How much is it here?
80.
Well, they have different flavors.
So $2.
Oh, in Vietnam it was 50 cents. But Vietnam's so crazy cheap. This is really cheap too, compared to what we pay at home.
You want some?
Domingo, ma'am, ang mga bestseller. Yan na po tayo cucumber, carrots, and watermelon.
Maybe just a plain one?
Yeah, we'll just get the plain one. Just like Vietnam?
Yep.
Sweet.
Tastes pretty good.
Yay! Wanna try? Found a place that sold this back at home in Canada, and it was not sweet. It's good?
Very, very sweet.
Very natural. Look who just arrived. Hello.
It's a 9 to 5. Ain't got no time for you and I to get it right. It's Friday night. Where's the red and white wine? Let's take it to another life. No time for leisure. More time to please you. Just get started. Girl, why you leaving? Where you going? Hope you're sad. I'll be breaking up again. Where you going? Hope you're sad. I'll be breaking up again. Lately I've been thinking maybe you and I should take a day and start to build a paradise. Feel it in your shoulders that the stakes is high. Let's take a little moment now to get it right. No time for leisure, more time to please you. Just getting started. Girl, why you leaving? Where you gonna hope you're sad? I'll be breaking up again. Where you gonna hope you're sad? I'll be breaking up again.
What is this?
Ube, lava.
That's a cool can.
Yeah.
It's like seafood.
They can it for you.
What else, Mom? How about some rice? Green rice.
And then, how about drinks? What for? Okay.
Seaweed salad. I'll try that. Seaweed salad.
What makes that?
So I got my number.
42.
I'm gonna be waiting for my order. I ordered baked scallop, I ordered squid, tuna belly, and the hanging rice, and seaweed salad. Seaweed salad looks so different here. I want to taste it by itself. It's like right. It's just like squished together. The taste is the same as plain rice. It's just more convenient to eat with your hands than meat.
So Mark got a sisig pizza. Nice, Mark.
Looks good.
It's a steak pizza.
Oh. John.
Oh, dami.
Got some lechon. Josh. Crispy.
original Ali Mango. This one is the original, and this one is graham, and this one is mango sticky Portuguese egg pie. Finish it now. What is Julie gonna think of this? Ooh. Try the graham cracker one.
I might like this one more because I like the graham cracker in it. Mango, Portuguese tart.
We've been to like a lot of different night markets, like back in Canada, even Vietnam.
Yeah.
This one looks really busy, but this isn't like, it's not that busy.
Like there's no long lineups like the Toronto ones. Like the Toronto ones, we have to actually leave because it's like you have to wait an hour to get food.
And it's like not even worth it.
Per stall.
And it's expensive.
And it's so expensive. But this one is a night market that's always here.
Yeah.
So it's more organized.
Yeah.
So
it might be hard for you to get a table and stuff. But
yeah. But you can come earlier. I'm sure it'll be easier if it's earlier.
Or even maybe later. Or just be patient or share a table with someone. Or you can take your food to go. I think there's a park right next door. Just find a spot and sit down and eat.
The food has been like just okay from the places that we've been. The dessert was way better than the actual food.
I mean, we've been eating at some amazing restaurants. So our standards are like way up there.
I'm sure there's like some stalls that are like exceptionally good. We just haven't done a lot of research on that.
That's pretty standard for night markets.
Yeah, but other than that, it's been really fun.
Yeah. We're gonna call it a night here. Tomorrow we have canyoneering. Yeah, tour for the whole day. They're picking us up at 4 a.m. so we gotta get some rest. It's gonna be a long day.
Yeah.
4 a.m.
Long day.
Alright, good night guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe because we put a lot of time and effort into these vlogs. Peace.